Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Trail Adventures, and today we're making venison chili. You know, it's January here in Michigan, it's cold outside, and a nice hot bowl of chili is something that everybody can appreciate. So I thought today would be a great day for us to learn how to make some venison chili. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is to get yourself some venison. Good job! So we're going to use 2 pounds of ground venison for this recipe. And the beauty of this is you only have to use one pot. Just one pot, no extra pans. You only get to dirty up one pot and make an entire batch of chili. We're going to start by just browning the meat, putting it inside the pot and getting it heated up, getting it mixed around. I usually like to do 2 pounds because whenever we make chili, we always like to make a big batch. That way everyone can enjoy it, we can have it for multiple days. Makes for a great lunch the next day. So now you're going to want to chop up a whole onion, 1 whole onion. Add your diced onion as well as 2 cloves of garlic. Just dump them right into the pot with the venison. Give it a good mix up. Next we got to add diced tomatoes straight out of the can. Just pour them straight in there. As well as a big can of tomato puree. These are 29-ounce cans. That's just enough for a good double batch. So I use the puree, but you can use tomato sauce if that's what you prefer, or if that's all you got on hand. That works just as well. What we're going to do is we're just going to mix in all the tomatoes. Let's get that going. Now we're going to add our seasoning, and then we're going to bring all that to a boil. Now these are the seasonings that we're going to add to the chili. What I love about this recipe is that it's so simple. Only 5 seasonings are going into this. We got cumin, chili powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. You can either pause the video to write down the exact measurements of these ingredients, or you could check out the description below. I'm going to post it all down there. So now we're just going to add in our seasonings. Give that a mix. And then we're going to bring this to a light simmer. That's already starting to look a lot like chili. Alright, now that this has come to a nice simmer, we're going to add the beans. What we got here is a combination of kidney beans, black beans, and white beans. Now, they came right out of a can, so you're going to want to put them right into a colander and strain them out, wash them off before dumping them in there. But you just lightly dump them straight in to the chili. Give them a good mix. This is what's awesome about this recipe, is that it's so simple. You just add everything to the pot and keep mixing. Let it all heat up, and you're going to have an awesome bowl of chili at the end. Now you're just going to let this come up to a boil again and let those beans cook a little bit, and then it's going to be ready to go. Give it a stir every now and then to make sure it all gets evenly cooked. This is almost done. It's coming along great. It's done. This venison chili came out perfectly. It's got exactly the right consistency that I like. It looks great. What I like to do is I always like to add a little bit of cheddar cheese to my chili, just enough to give it a little bit of extra cheesiness to it. And it's just that simple. Like I said, it's a super simple recipe. It's got very few ingredients and it tastes great too. You make this for the guys at the deer camp, and they'll forget why they're even there. They won't even bother going out to their tree stands. They're gonna want to stay at the camp and eat this all day. But hopefully they go, because we need more venison. That there is how you make super easy, super tasty, awesome venison chili. Let me know what you thought of this chili recipe in the comments below. And if you've got a recipe that you think is really great, send it to me. I'd love to try it out. But anyways, that'll about do it for this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel to find more recipes, see more of my deer hunts, fishing adventures, all sorts of that kind of stuff. And I will see you on the next adventure. Bye now.